Hello, Tom Zarinskas here, and I wrote a panphone called Pancakes. In True Spell Phonetics, you'll see it below. And a panphone is a summary of all 40 English phonemes. It's a short story that has all phonemes of English in it. And here is the panphone that I did of pancakes. The pancake story converted in True Spell below here. Tildes indicate the True Spell version. Pancakes are from the house grill. So good you wouldn't believe it. We enjoyed them with pleasure, ordering strawberries as a side dish choice. And that has all the sounds of U.S. English in it, and there is a count of sounds here. And the True Spell phonetic indication, the tilde is there. A double consonant indicates a stressed syllable other than the first syllable. And here are the vowels in True Spell. What you do to find the True Spell version is to go to truespell.com and you will see a converter. And here you see there were 38% were vowels and 63% were consonants. This adds up to 100% because of rounding problems. And here is the final analysis and the count. I have a highlighter on, but I like highlighters. 24 total words and 88 total phonemes. So that is what a panphone does. It's a very simple way of writing all the sounds of a language, in this case, U.S. English. Thank you very much.